Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Xapo wallet application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Xapo in the search box and make your search. In the search results, you'll be able to find the application. This one's the app that we are looking for. Now simply tap on the install button to start the download process. Xapo is a Hong Kong-based company that provides a Bitcoin wallet combined with a cold storage vault and a Bitcoin-based debit card. The downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Once the download is done, wait for it to install on your device, and after it does, tap the app open. And that is how you can easily download Xapo application on your device. If you already have an account, tap on the login button and log into your account. If you don't, you can tap on the sign up button and register yourself first. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.